Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So, are you practicing the lessons? Yes, this was our last lesson which I taught you. Okay, what is that? Q W E R T space P O I U Y. Q W E R T P O I U Y. Yes, this was our lesson, and I had given it such a task. The task was to, if somebody have facing problems in these lessons, okay, in these lessons I am practicing these word problems, word meanings. So I had given task them to practice these lessons few more days, okay, and that's enough now. So you have just to leave these lessons now, okay, and move on from these lessons. Yes, I am saying that move on from these lessons, but you have to stick to this word practice. You don't have to leave this bad practice. Keep practicing these words until I say you to stop, okay. Keep practicing these words. Yes, and about this lesson, practice these words for more days, okay, for a few more days till my next video, okay. And yes, practice these words in less time, okay. I mean 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, okay. After this, practice this lesson for 10 to 15 minutes, and then come to this word practice, okay. Practice each word 5 times, okay. Practice each word 5 lines, okay. 5 lines each word. C means type C, 5 lines, okay. Let me show you with example. So here the first word is C. So here we go. S E A, 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 S E A. So we have to do that. Practice in this way. C means practicing 5. Practice C 5 lines in this way. Complete here, then come to here, then complete till here, then come to here, then complete 5 lines each word in this manner, okay. So I'm going to say you about something about, remind you about the fingers and your hands, how to put. Yes, some friends have a habit to forget the rules and regulations and the posture, okay. So I'm going to remind you guys again. So I had already said you, okay, that how to type. Yes, you must have a comfortable seat position, okay, to type well. Yes, your nails should be cutted, okay. Your nails should be cutted properly. Short nails, no longer nails, especially for girls. Yes, girls have a habit to increase your nails. So not girls, you should not increase your nails. You should cut your nails properly. No longer nails, okay, short nails. And yes, your hand, what I'm saying about hand, how to keep your hand, okay, in this manner. Look like very comfortable in this way. Hold your hands. You have to hold your hands from this, from this part, okay. This A S D F space semicolon A S D F space semicolon L K J, A S D F space semicolon L K J, A S D F space semicolon L K J, okay. So in this way I am recapping the previous lessons. So which lesson was this? The first step of the first lesson. So okay, I'm going to remind you the all other lessons. A S D F G space semicolon L K J space A S T F G space semicolon L K J H A S T F G space semicolon L K J H. So this was our second step of the first lesson. So let's move to the third part of our first lesson, which was A S T F G F space semicolon L K J H J. Yes, look at this. Look at my hand fingers, how these are placed on the keywords. Okay, very comfortable, not tight of hands. Okay, in a very loose posture. Understood? So in this way, so look, I'm not keeping my hands. Okay, I'm not just taking the help of this self. My hands are upper, okay, in the air, in this way. So I used to say this is a jumping position, guys. This is jumping position. This is the crawling position of keeping your hands on the self. It's called crawling position. So yes, that was. This is the way you have to keep your hands. And yes, let's talk about our current lesson, which we on which we are working. That is QWERT space POIUY. So here we go how to type QWERT space POIUY QWERT space POIUY QWERT space POIUY. Yes, what I'm doing is that I'm not keeping my full hand on this row. I always get my hand to the upper row, then come back to the home row. Okay, are you noticing it? Okay, let me show you again. So keep your hands on this row, home row, permanently, and type each letter, come back to the home row. Then W, come back to home row. E, come back to home row. R, come back to home row. T, come back to home row. P, come back to home row. O, then come back to home row. I, home row. U, home row. Y, home row. So look at this. Q, W, E, R, T, P, O, I, U, Y. Q, W, E, R, T, P, O, I, U, Y. Yes, don't get confused. You have to type R and T with the fourth finger, or called index finger of left hand, and U and Y with the fourth finger or index finger of the right hand. So not get messed up. So that's all for today. This was our lesson, quick recap, and all the message facts about I said about the hands and posture. So keep practicing well. Yes, and your current task is to start from leave the first two lessons which I taught you, ASDFG H and semicolon LKJ. These two lessons, stop these two lessons and start from word meaning all, and keep typing this 3 lines each for 5 to 10 minutes. Then come to this lesson 4, lesson second, QWERT space POIUY. Then come to this word practice from C, 5 lines each word, 5 lines each word. And that's all for today. Keep practicing, stay pure, stay healthy. Jai Hind.